So, welcome to chapter 2 from hunting gathering to growing food. Introduction. Early inhabitants of the subcontinent around 2 million years ago were hunter gatherers. Hunter gatherers obtained food by hunting wild animals, fishing, gathering fruits, roots, nuts, seeds, leaves, stalks, and eggs. They were nomadic, moving from place to place for several regions. To avoid depleting local plant and animal resources, they had to relocate. Following the movement of animals, which shifted for various regions, such as searching for smaller prey or grass and leaves. Seasonal changes in the availability of fruits led them to move from one place to another. The necessity of water or the necessity for water, vital for survival, compelled them to relocate to areas with lakes, streams, and rivers, especially during dry seasons. How do we know about these people? Archaeologists found tools of stone, wood, and bone used by hunter-gatherers. Stone tools, the best preserved, serve for cutting, scraping, and chopping in activities like hunting and food preparation. Some stone tools are likely attached to bone or wood handles for hunting weapons. Tools were also used for chopping wood, essential for firewood, hut construction, and crafting other implements. Choosing a place to live in. Red triangle marking on the map, which is given in the book, indicate sites where archaeologists discovered evidence of hunter-gatherers. These sites represent only a fraction, as hunter-gatherers inhabited many more locations. Many sites were situated near water sources like rivers and lakes. Accessibility to good quality stone was crucial, as stone tools played a significant role in their lives. Rock paintings and what they tell us. Caves inhabited by early people, especially in Madhya Pradesh and southern Uttar Pradesh, feature wall paintings. Notably, these paintings depict wild animals, showcasing remarkable accuracy and skill. So, the archaeological sites are locations where artifacts like tools, pots, and buildings created and used by people are discovered. These remnants may be on the surface, buried underground, or occasionally submerged in water. Further details about various archaeological sites will be explored in subsequent chapters. So, finding out about fire. Ash traces found indicate early people's familiarity with fire. Fire likely served various purposes, including providing light, roasting meal, and deterring animals. Names and dates. Archaeologists use the term Paleolithic for the earliest period, reflecting the importance of stone tools. It spans from 2 million years ago to about 12,000 years ago, divided into lower, middle, and upper Paleolithic. The period from about 12,000 to 10,000 years ago is called Mesolithic, characterized by environmental changes. Tools known as microliths are likely attached to bone or wood handles. The Neolithic period, starting about 10,000 years ago, is the next stage. The names of places mentioned in the textbook are often based on present day names, as historical names are often unknown. A changing environment. Around 12,000 years ago, global climate changes led to warmer conditions and the development of grasslands. The increase in grasslands contributed to a rise in deer, antelope, goat, sheep, and cattle populating. Hunters now, following these animals, gained insight into their habits and breeding seasons. This knowledge likely prompted the idea of herding and rearing these animals. Fishing also became a significant activity during this period. The beginning of farming and herding. Around this time, various grain-bearing grasses like wheat, barley, and rice naturally grew in the subcontinent. People likely collected these grains, learning about their growth and ripening, which may have sparked the idea of agriculture. Additionally, people attracted and tamed animals by leaving food near their shelters. The first tamed animal was the wild ancestor of the dog. Later, people encouraged gentle animals like sheep, goat, cattle, and pigs to come near their camps, leading to herding practices. Domestication. Agriculture is the process of growing plants and tending to animals. Domestication involves selecting and breeding plants and animals with desirable traits. People choose plants and animals resistant to diseases with high yielding qualities. Seeds are selected, plants are preserved and sown to maintain desired qualities. The domestication process, starting about 12,000 years ago, gradually transformed domesticated plants and animals from their wild counterparts. Virtually all the food we consume today is a result of domestication. Early domesticated plants include wheat and barley, and the first domesticated animals include sheep and goat. A new way of life. Growing plants requires time and attention ranging from days to years. The sheep to plant cultivation meant people had to settle in one place, caring for plants until the grain ripened. Storage became crucial for both food and the seed, leading to the development of large clay pots, oven baskets, and dug pits in various areas. Rearing animals. Animals naturally multiply and, when cared for, provide milk and meat, serving as a valuable food source. Rearing animals allows them to act as a food store whenever needed. So, towards a settled life, archaeologists found evidence of huts and houses like peat houses in Burjahom, suggesting shelter solutions for cold weather. Cooking huts inside and outside huts indicate flexibility in cooking locations based on weather. Neolithic stone tools, distinct from Paleolithic tools, include polished tools for fine cutting and mortars and pestles for grinding grain. Earthen pots, some decorated, were used for storage and cooking, while people began weaving cloth using materials like cotton. Changes were not universal. In many areas, people continued hunting and gathering, while others adopted farming and herding gradually over several thousand years. Some regions combined different activities, adapting to the seasons. Living and dying in Mehergarh. Mehergarh, located near Bolan Pass, was an early village where people likely learned to grow barley and wheat and rear sheep and goats. It is situated along an important route into Iran and is known for its fertile plain. Archaeological findings at Mehergarh include animal bones from wild and domesticated species, along with remains of square or rectangular houses. Several burial sites at Mehergarh reveal cultural practices, with one instance involving the burial of a person alongside goats, possibly intended as food for the afterlife. So we'll discuss the QA in another video. So this complete the chapter 2 of social science. So thanks for watching this video. We'll continue in the next session.